profit. That's all we asking for, is for a little bit of honesty. Yes, if it comes from the merchant, that's great. But damn it, we want it from DoorDash. Okay, we need it straight from y'all, because y'all is the ones that's holding up us from getting to that next level of earnings where we should be at. Yes, it might not be a smooth transition, but just steadily taking money out of our pockets is not the way to go, because we know that y'all can just flood the market and make it saturated with new dashers. But at some point, it's going to become unsustainable. Okay, you can't have brand new dashers out there delivering catering orders. You can't have brand new dashers going into that building complex and they don't know where suite number 345 is because they've never been there before. You know, at some point, these things are going to start to collapse because DoorDash is just trying to cut corners and get that profit. And I get it. As long as you got dashers on the road to deliver the order, you good to go. But you getting to a point right now where it's folks like myself who finna actively be coming out and reporting on all the bad things y'all doing to hurt the dashers. Because it's one thing if you just trying to make your money as a company. I get that. I ain't mad at that. I get that. But when you start sacrificing the folks who are the reason you have a company, which is the dashers, which is the drivers out here doing the job, that's where we have a problem. And at a certain point, it's gonna just tip over and spill over, and the bubble is going to explode, and the business model is not going to be able to be sustainable. So if y'all out there and y'all listening to DoorDash, I need y'all to take heed. Listen to my man Bentley Coop. He gave you some gems earlier today. He said, look, you can implement some kind of minimum base pay, $5. You know, we're not saying let everybody into it right away. But what we're saying is, if you don't fix it now, it's going to be going downhill real fast. I'm trying to tell you, because Dashers is very upset. And once you have an upset person delivering food, that's going to lead to more upset customers. And then that's going to really start to affect your bottom line, because we can be mad all day. We can be mad and make YouTube videos and make community posts and Facebook posts and Instagram reels and TikToks. We can do that all day long. But once the customers who spending that money, once they start doing it and they really start to affect DoorDash pockets, it's going to be too late. So we're trying to help you out, DoorDash. Listen to what we got to say. Understand that we are the driving force behind those profits that you so happily, you know what I'm saying, boast about on your earnings call. I get it. I'd be bragging too, but you got to take care of the people. And I'm not talking about no whack ass bonus that only 2% of all the dashers in the country is going to qualify for. No, I'm not talking about that. I'm not talking about no whack ass dasher rewards program that ain't even a reward program. It's just something to further manipulate the dashers. I'm not talking about that. You got to fix the structure of how dashers is being paid and how you make your money. I'm cool. I don't even do DoorDash that much no more. But I refuse to stand by and let them get away with this nonsense. It's actually crazy, for real. It's like they wringing out a towel and trying to squeeze out all the pennies and dimes and nickels. And we are the towel. DoorDash is the hands, and we are the towel. And they just squeezing it, trying to get every little penny out that mug. Because they can't charge more than they already charging for the food without the natural progression of inflation. So they already got that covered. You know, I went to McDonald's the other day. My kids love Happy Meals. I don't even eat McDonald's, but my kids love Happy Meals. So when they, you know, as a treat, as a present, as something to say, hey, good job for doing the right thing, I give them a Happy Meal every now and then. Not that much, but every now and then, because I don't like McDonald's. But a Happy Meal costs $10. Hold on, let me look you right in your eyeball when I tell you this. A Happy Meal costs $10. $10 fucking dollars, okay? If you go on the DoorDash app right now, how much are you gonna pay for that $10 Happy Meal? I need y'all to let me know in the chat right now. Drop a comment. Where is it at? Right there. Drop a comment in the chat. Whoever get closest to what my Dasher app say it costs for a Happy Meal to get it delivered, you gonna win something. Because they got me messed up, bro. You know how much you pay for a single Happy Meal? Matter of fact, I got 2 girls, and if I buy one something, I gotta buy the other something. How much you think 2 Happy Meals cost? Because they making all this money. You gotta realize McDonald's makes no extra money when you order that Happy Meal through DoorDash. McDonald's don't make no extra. They just make your volume. Your volume getting that order through the DoorDash app, that's the extra money they get right there. So where is all this extra money going? to the platform for facilitating the order. Hold on. They got me messed up. Where's my look? The last thing I ordered was McDonald's. Cause I don't even eat it. I be out working. They be like, oh, can I have a Happy Meal? Look, I'll order it to the crib. I'm out working. I'm not gonna stop and get one. I'll order you one. God, then they got the nerve to say this. Look, look. I hopped on here to show y'all something, and I'm about to show y'all something else. This is why we don't make no money. Look at this. You are currently eligible for lower delivery fees. Welcome back. You currently are eligible for lower delivery fees. Savings apply to restaurants. So they don't have no problem advertising that you currently eligible for lower delivery fees. Advertise to tip the fucking driver. How about that? Advertise that, you know, instead of saying that, say, look, if you live 5 miles away, don't even think about putting a $5 tip. If it ain't $10, just go ahead, retract your